In this video guys, how to install and activate Google Sitekit plugin to your WordPress website. Walk cursor to plugins, add new. Now guys, you need to search here Google. This first one, Sitekit by Google. Analytics, Search Console, AdSense, and Speed. Sitekit is a one-stop solution for WordPress users to use everything Google has to offer to make them successful on the web. So install, then activate. Now click on Start Setup. So this is the first part of Google Sitekit video. In the second part, I will show you how to connect your Google Sitekit with Google Analytics, Search Console, and AdSense. So stay tuned, subscribe this channel, and comment if you have any query or question. Thanks for watching.